guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am going to put this Christmas look that have been in my heart to do for a very long time now. So I decided to do it today and we're going to do it together. So off camera I've done my eyebrows and I've done my foundation, so let's do the eye look and every other thing that follows. So I'm going to be using it's going to be from this palette. These are full palette. So I am going to use this concealer, Kiko concealer, to prep my eyes before we start. Just don't want to put my hand in there, so I'm going to look for a brush to use, and I have a mirror down here, guys, so I will obviously be looking at my mirror at some point and I'll make sure you can see me as well. So I'll get my hair off the way and get closer to the camera for you guys. So the reason why you should prep your eyes before applying an eyeshadow is it helps the eyeshadow to come out really well, if that makes sense. Like, it makes it, if it's a light color, it makes it to pop a lot. So I leave it at that, and then I'm gonna go to this palette, and I'm going to be using this particular color right here. The is a wine red. I'm gonna use it here. I'm gonna switch to another brush, and I'll go into this brown, deep brown right here. Just a little bit of it on top of it there, like that. And I'm gonna go with another brush just to make the, I'm gonna go with that one just to blend this area. I don't want it to look harsh. Right, I'll go back to this first brush and then add some of this right here. Just a little bit, ready to pop. you go. So I noticed this place has gone up a bit, so I'm gonna reduce it. By using my hand. And then I'll go back to this brush again to blend. Perfect. And I'm going to be using a glittery a glitter on my eyes today. Let's do glitter, girl. Let's do glitter. I'm in the mood. So this is a glitter gel. I'm just going to take a little bit of it on my hand and dab it, and it's going to be at the center of the eyes, and dab it right here. And do the same right here. And we're gonna wait for that to dry a little bit. While we wait, and the glitter is still going to be from this palette, and it's going to be that one right there, and it's the only glitter in that palette. I'm gonna use a different brush altogether, and that will be this flat one to scoop it. Gonna go back to this brush again, and the one I used for the brown one, two of them together. So the brown one first. Oops. The brown one goes in first. And I'm gonna go back and use the same color to I'm gonna do my eyelashes and I'll be back. So before I left, I forgot to do my eyeliner because someone said I should do my eyeliner online so that they see it. So this is it. I've done one. I'm gonna do the second one. Santa from class, and I'm always grateful, and I remain grateful to the person that picked me. Chloe, if you're watching this video, you know, girl, I really love this and I say thank you again. I really love it. So I'm gonna use it now. I can't wait, you know, I can't just wait. So I'm just gonna use it right now to complement this look. And I guess they are different colors or different shades, so I'm gonna try this out. As you can see, I just brought it out from the pack. I've never used it before, so here it goes. God, this is pretty. God, this is pretty. I love it. I really, really, really love it. It keeps your lips moisturized and it's just everything. So this is literally the look, and I'm gonna obviously finish it up with Fenty Beauty highlighter, and that will go on the bridge of my nose and at the point end, and I'm gonna do it here. Obviously we need some glow right there in it, and that. Yes, I like to use my hands at some point to do my makeup. So guys, this is this look. This is what it looks like, and I'm glad I put up this look with my touch of glitter right there, which is not too blinky and too much. I love the way it is, and I am happy I have done it. So to finish up is going to be my yeah, it feels so good. I hope you love this, because I do love it. Not just like, I love it. And my hair as well. which I got not long ago to compliment this Christmas, and oh my god, you know, to love myself. So I hope you love everything. I hope you will subscribe to this channel. If you've not done it up to now, I wonder what you're looking for, what you're waiting for. Right down there, there, I'm waiting. Thank you. Please click the bell so that you will not get notified each time I post a new video, and I will see you in my next other video. If you like, subscribe, share this video with your families. If you're confused of what look to do this Christmas, I got you. I got you. So come on, let's do this together, girls. Let's do this together, boys. Let's do this together. You know what I mean? My voice is gone and I'm gone, and I'll see you in my next other video, guys. Thank you very much, and Merry Christmas to you all. Love you. Bye.